Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel APM Guide. As a part of our ADB Concept series, in this video we'll see how to simulate a touch screen tab on an Android device using ADB Concepts. That is, you can able to perform a tab gesture on the Android touch screen. Okay, so we have a command called tab command. Okay, the ADB cell input tab command is used to simulate a touchscreen tab on an Android device from your computer via ADB bridge. It is an Android debug bridge. Okay, we have a tab command. By using tab command, we can able to simulate the tab gesture on a Android device. Okay, and further, it is a part of ADB cell input command suite which allows you to simulate the user input like tabs, swipes, key events, etc. See, apart from tab, we can perform other input events. That is the swipe, key events. Okay, these all gestures we can able to perform by using the ADB cell input command. Okay, see the basic syntax coming to our tab command. The basic syntax is we have to use ADB cell input. Okay, and in the suite we have a command called tab because we are performing a tab gesture on our Android touch screen. So we have to use tab. And in the tab, I need to know the x and y coordinate, right? So if you see my simulator, see I want tab in particular place. Okay. For that one, I need to have x and y coordinates. So we need to provide the x and y coordinates. So this is the explanation of this syntax here. So what is this? The ADB is the Android debug bit tool. Cell is the executes a cell command on the device and input. Okay, command to simulate user input. Okay, this is a on suit here and tab because we are performing a tab, so we have to use the keyword called tab to simulate a finger tap on the screen, and we need to provide the x and y coordinates. As you know, the x coordinate is the horizontal screen coordinates in pixel. Okay, and y is the vertical screen coordinates in pixel. Okay, we'll see this one here. See, if you see the simulator or real-time device, this one, the x coordinate always represents the horizontal screen. The horizontal means x coordinate. The vertical means y coordinate. It should be remembered. Okay, y means vertical, x means horizontal. So suppose I want to tap on this one, I need to calculate the horizontal, that is x value and y value because I want to tap on this one. If I provide x value of this particular icon, I can able to click on that one, tap on that one. Okay, so we can able to do it. And before that one, I want to perform a tap on this clock. Okay, but I want x and y coordinates. How I can able to calculate it? We have a simple way to get the x and y coordinates on our mobile screen, and it work on any dimension of mobile screen. Okay, so simple. What you do to get the x and y coordinates? Okay, just click on settings. Just go to the system. Okay, before that, make sure that you have the enable the developer options. Okay, select the developer options. Scroll down. So we have here two values will be there. Developer options. That is a, you see here, just scroll down. That's the net. Let's search for that values here. See, we have the input. Okay, input. So we have show tabs, pointer location. Okay, now it is disabled, right? If I want to enable it, please enable the tab, show tabs option and pointer location. Okay, so if you see here, once you enable it, you can able to find the x and y coordinates. So this option will be enabled. By using this option, I can know the my exact pointer location so that I can get the x and y coordinate. Okay. So coming to our topic, so this is how we can able to get the x and y coordinate. Okay, we can able to view that XML coordinate and tabs also. Okay, and now see I want to perform a tab on this clock icon so that it will open the clock application. Okay, so we still now we are see the basic syntax and explanation of syntax. Now we see the example. See example I had to give ADB cell input tab and external coordinate here I have used 500 and 1000 here. Means this simulated tab at the coordinates 100 and 1000 on the device screen. Okay, so here come back here simulator. Say I want to perform a tap on this clock app, right? So that I can open the clock app. So what you guys do, just click on here. Just you can see here. If my pointer is moving, okay, see here, my pointer is moving here. See, you can see the plus cross lines here. See, you can see the above, it says 342, X is a 342. You see, you have to observe it here. Okay, you have to observe this one, X and Y. So once again, I am doing it. See, if you just move here, you can see 347 and Y is the 714. 347, 714. Okay, so open this one. So ADB cell, so input tab 347 X coordinate, and one second we come back here so that you exactly click on this one, and Y is the 470. Okay, so Y is the 470 here. Oh, say estimate get the exact value. Sorry, it is 750. 750 it is. Okay, it is 751. So you can give the 751. So you get the X and Y coordinates here. Okay, now I'll run this command here. See, I given the ADB cell input tab X axis coordinate, that is a horizontal and this is a vertical. So this is a horizontal value and this is vertical value. Okay, now I'll run this one. I run this command. You see, it perform a tap on the clock. See, see. So it has to perform a tap gesture. That is a we have simulated a tap gesture on the mobile and the mobile screen, and we have opened a app here. Okay, so one more example. We'll take it. Okay, now I want to open with intent example app. Okay, APK I have to open. So same thing, ADB cell input tab. So XY coordinate, right? Simple. Just here, just go there. Just place your pointer here. You can just see it says 549, 549, 115, 549, 115, 549, 115. The nearby value we have to take it, X and Y coordinate. Now, when I run this command, it has to open this particular app. See, this is how we can able to perform a tab gesture on our mobile screen touch screen. Okay, mobile touch screen, and it will work only for Android, and it will work for simulator also and real time device also. Okay, so if you see here, okay, the use cases when we can able to use this one. So we can use automating a UI testing, bypassing the parts of app manually, that is a skip splash screens, scripting user behavior for demos and data entry. So these are the three use cases we can use this particular command. And note, the coordinate depends upon the screen resolution and orientation. Okay, so what happened? As you know, we have different type of screen sizes, there is resolutions and orientation. So our X and Y coordinates will change on our simulator or real-time device. So we need to update accordingly. Okay, and make sure that USB debugging is enabled on your Android device. Okay, as you know, when you want to work with the Android ADB commands on our simulator or real-time device, the USB debugging should be enabled. So which comes under the developer options, and you can find the coordinate using the screenshot tools or app that display the text location. See what exactly we have done, right? We have, as you see, I have enabled the show tabs, pointer location and the settings, right? So we had to do it to get the to know the x and y coordinates. Okay, this is how we can able to perform the tab gesture on a Android touchscreen by using the ADB commands. If you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.